Welcome to part 5 of Awesome ALCOs. We are at Bangalore Cantonment. Your first light ALCO WDM3A.
KJM WDM3A.
Looks like freshly painted,
Going to pull those racks.
clean. Rebuilt at Patiala, 3100 horsepower. Bangalore Cantonment again, and this time a freight followed by a WDG3A from KJM. Nicely smoking. The Loco pilot says hi. I love this smoking and chugging and tugging as the train pulls out of the station on the Bangalore Cantonment curve. The empty rakes are possibly going to the Whitefield freight terminal for loading of fresh cargo. We are at Ernakulam, the home to Jindal Steels, and you see a lot of freight activity here. This is on the Hospet line. The train is the Kolapur Express, Hyderabad Express.
Kolapur Hyderabad Express.
I love this smoking, chugging, tugging. Look at how the locos picks up speed as the chugging frequency increases and the speed increases. Very nice sound. Ernakulam Junction.
Ernakulam Okha Express leaving Ernakulam Junction. $8 in the night.
Night departures are always awesome, and the silence of this night is only broken by the tugging sound of the ALCO as it departs Ernakulam Junction from platform number 1 towards Okha via the Konkan Railway. From here it goes to Thrissur, Shoranur, to Bangalore, and then up north via Panvel. The wonderful tug increases as the train picks up the speed, leaving the station platform behind. Thrissur Junction. I'm sorry, Thrissur Station. Tirunelveli Jamnagar Express via the Konkan Railway. A beautiful late evening and departure from Thrissur. And once again, wonderful tugging, smoking alcohol.
Jamnagar Tirunelveli 1857857.
Sure. Nice acceleration. The Nilambur Road, Ernakulam local. Ernakulam based WDM3.
Ernakulam passenger. Arriving in Thrissur Junction.
People running to catch the train, and finally you have this at Panvel, another train through the Konkan Railway, the Kochuveli Indore Weekly Express, departing from Panvel Junction with a Ernakulam WDM3D. Again, Kochuveli, Thrissur, Shoranur, Bangalore, Panvel, Vasai Road, no. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Subscribe and see you soon again.